Oh, we've got an exhilarating car. It's a sexy 1966 Corvette L72. That means it's the 427 with the 425 horsepower motor. Number match, rally red, side pipes, shifting those gears, listening to that sound. There's nothing like it. Leather interior, teak telescopic wheel. Go to volocars.com. We have 200 classic cars all for sale. Each one will have the price tag and the monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, the Corvette coupes, that's the way to go. You've been watching my Corvette videos. I always say it. It's just one of the best looking designs of all time. One of the few cars the coupe's worth more than the convertible. They're actually harder to come by and just gives it such a nice look. Well, the big bulged hood here, that designates as a 427. They had a 390 horse. This is the 4 1/4 horse bad boy. But up here is all fantastic. All this fiberglass is beautiful, clean, straight. Now the door fits all the way around. It goes all the way up into the roof, and it fits beautifully. Hear that? Like a new car. All this is nice. Has this nice rib going down the middle with the boat tail design and the curved window. Just such good looking lines on these cars. All of this is slick. That's a factory power antenna, by the way, which does work. I don't see any damage all the way down. I mean, there might be a little tiny speck, a couple little speck rock chips touched up, especially when you get like way underneath it. But this is all beautiful, glossy. And again, look at the door. Look at all the lines that got to fit right when you line up one of these doors. Shuts like new. That's a big deal in these cars. All beautiful. The lines are straight, no big door chips or anything like that. All beautiful. You'd have to look really hard to find just even a minor imperfection in the paint. Original rally red according to the tag. The electric headlight doors both open and close. I personally just tried them. The emblems look fresh. I love the big old cross flag emblems there. These are very good. They might be original, but they're very nice actually. Windshield's like an 8 out of 10. The stainless moldings fit real nice. They look good. The rubber seal is soft. The side pipes, those are factory side pipes. They've been replaced. That's a chambered crimped pipe. And again, when you're shifting gears and you hear that sound, it's just awesome. Door handles are a 7 out of 10. Original glass, better than most, but there are a few light scratches. The trim fits very nicely. Gas cap doors, new, that's beautiful. Sparkling emblems. Optional reverse lights. The chrome back here is very nice. Not perfect, but very nice looking. It's sitting on some BF Goodrich radial tires with the goldline stripe and reproduction knockoff wheels, and they are pristine. The aluminum is shiny and sparkly. They are in excellent shape. It has the bow tie Chevy mirror here, upside down. There we go. There's the bow tie. And then the front bumpers are also in very good shape. Why don't we open it up, show you a beautiful interior, and we'll show you that beast under the hood. Well, there's no trunk to open and show you, but take a second to just admire the beautiful sculpted body lines on this car. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. Door jambs are very nice. The weather strips have been replaced at some point. They're in good shape. Door panels are excellent, although there is a crack in the armrest on this side. It's a small one, barely noticeable. They're not beat up at all. All the chrome handles and trim look to be in great shape. All the gauges are working and they all look very nice and clean. The knobs, everything looks really good. It's a 6500 redline tachometer. That's correct for the solid lifter high revving engine that's in here. The dash pads, speaker grill, all this is in really nice shape. Glove box door, looks like that's been replaced recently. Looks really nice. Working light. The liner looks real good. We've got the owner's pouch with the manual and the sales brochure, even the original tire pressure sticker is still there. You can't really see it, but the interior lights are working. Kick panels are real nice. Carpet front to back is excellent. It has these Lloyd embroidered mats as well. All this is real clean. We just put a new clock in there. It's a quartz movement clock. That's new. The power antenna works, but the radio didn't come on for me. The whole center console's real nice. Got the correct reverse lockout shifter. We have the correct bow tie seat belts. Genuine leather armrest to go with the genuine leather upholstery. I love leather. But this is all leather, nice firm cushions. The seats feel great. Oh, it has deluxe retractable seat belts. Back of the seat looks really nice. All of the carpet all fits real nice. All the trim's real good. Comes with this really nice soft indoor car cover. And then up above, all the trim looks really nice. The light works. Headliner and visors and mirror all look like brand new. Now, most of these come with a plastic wood grain steering wheel, and everyone says they're wood steering. This is the actual teak wood wheel. This is for real, not plastic. And this is what makes it really special. It's on a telescopic column. So that's pretty darn cool right there. A teak wood telescopic wheel. So really nice interior, folks. I think we replaced the parking brake handle as well. We do have a service shop. We don't restore them here, but they go through our shop. We look at them, we drive them, and we bring them to the next level. So there it is, the legendary L72. It's a 427. Numbers match. We check the casting codes, dates, the numbers on the front of the pad, and all those pictures are on our website for you to look at. But these are 4-bolt mains, a little heavier duty, 11-to-1 compression, solid lifters, so it can rev higher. It's got a hotter cam. It's got big port heads matched to a big port factory aluminum intake, a big Holley carburetor. And all this is correct. If you see these little dimples, the reproductions don't have that. So these are correct valve covers, correct air cleaner with the dish in the middle, the right stickers. The alternator looks fairly new, still had the sticker on it, so I just pulled it off. The regulator looks new and the wires look new. Optional power brakes with a cadmium plated brake booster. And then it has deep groove pulleys. They're sunk in there because when it's revving so high, you want the belt to fly off. So this engine comes with deep pulleys, has the right hose clamps and hoses, the clutch fan. The radiator looks fresh. We're looking down at the suspension, the bushings and that look real good. It has the shields around the spark plugs, the right ignition shielding. You can't really see, but it's got spring clamp battery cables. We also put the correct battery holder on it, and under the fender on that side is the washer bottle. That's hooked up. So very authentic, clean engine compartment. And again, that's a beast. Michael's going to show you how that beast runs.
Everybody, got a super cool Vette here to cruise today. Numbers matching 427 under the hood. This thing sounds amazing. It's got the side pipes. Just take a listen. Gotta love it. Paired with a 4-speed manual, you want to take this out on the weekend and have a good time, man. Holy cow, this is a great car to do it in. Beautiful leather interior. It feels thick too. I really love the feel of this leather. Super genuine. Yeah, it's got a telescopic wheel on it. A couple other cool things. It's been rebuilt. The engine's been rebuilt by Bill Codwell racing engines, and man, it sounds tough. Really runs nice. We just rebuilt the carburetor on it. That was part of the $3,600 that we spent between service and detail on the car. It started right up easily with no problem. Totally awesome. See, we're catching a little traffic here, but you see it's got a nice clean idle on it. Just totally got it going on. I'm really, really impressed by the way that it's running. It's got the real wood steering wheel there as well. And yeah, hopefully catches traffic here. All right, let's see what she's got. Just like that, up to highway speeds with absolutely no issue. That was just a customer test driving a Roadrunner right there. Had to get around them. And yeah, listen to that exhaust one more time. We'll downshift here, you can hear it. I mean, honestly, it doesn't get any better than that. This thing runs phenomenal. It drives phenomenal. Look how nice and straight it goes down the road. I mean, there's nothing that this one won't do. And it's got the, and it's rare too on top of that, which you guys already know. So come on, test drive it for yourself. It's a great time. Come visit us, spend as much time with the car as you want to, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So it's claimed this car was body off the frame restored at one time, but I can tell you it looks very clean and orderly and proper under there. Our shop did inspect and serviced it. So these have independent suspension front and back. And there's a list of work that was done by the previous owner. Matter of fact, I'll read it to you. We could see from looking like we did there, the upper control arm bushings have been replaced. I seen the sway bar bushings have been replaced, the shocks, the ball joints, the idler arm, the rear drive shafts were replaced. That was all prior to us. We replaced the rear wheel bearings and spindles. These also have four-wheel disc brakes. They were rebuilt by a previous owner. We went ahead and fixed the e-brake. We replaced the e-brake calipers and is it calipers in the back? The shoes, the e-brake shoes, cables, previously the lines, the hoses, that was all replaced too. The factory side exhaust was replaced. Looking up at the motor, it's clean Chevy orange, has the proper starter. It has a heavy duty, the M22 Rock Crusher 4-speed. It's a Muncie 4-speed, and that's the heavy duty one. We even replaced the gear in there because the speedometer was 7 miles an hour off to make that accurate. That's the type of service we do. We did not restore the car, but we always try and improve upon them. It has a posi rear end. It's a 308 gear, so it's a nice cruising gear. The fiberglass floors mostly are unpainted. They're the raw fiberglass. Looks to be in really nice shape. And in back, it has the spare tire carrier is all in place. The frame is solid and been painted. So yeah, really nice looking, nice functioning powerhouse of a Corvette with some nice luxury too. Go to volocars.com. Talk to the salesman to help answer your questions, like how to get your 66 Corvette delivered home and how to get it financed. We need help with that too. Thanks for watching.